What's going on, guys? Roma the Roamer here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to reprice books super fast. I'm talking 300 to 500 books per hour manually. Now, I'm not going to do this myself. I'm not going to sit down and reprice 300 to 500 books manually. I wish I would have known about this tool way back in the day when I first started selling books, but I didn't. I had to reprice using Seller Central, go down that manage inventory page, and then I used Reprice It, which completely screwed everything up. I lost like $5,000 because it tanked all my prices because Reprice It, all these third-party softwares are blind. They cannot see the FBA offers, which is the most important thing. When you're repricing and you're an FBA seller, you don't give a shit about merchant prices. All you care about is FBA prices. That's all you give a shit about. Merchant prices don't mean anything. It's a whole nother world. People that use Prime want to use Prime. They pay $50, $100 a year, whatever it is, to use Prime. They want to use Prime. They don't want to have to buy from Joe's, shipping that shit out of his house, and who knows if it's got dog shit on the book or what. They want the Amazon Prime check. So just know, when you're repricing these third-party apps, they don't know shit about FBA offers. It's not their fault. They probably have great software and everything, but Amazon limits them to only seeing the lowest 15 offers. So without further ado, I'm gonna go into exactly how I reprice using this super cool new tool called New Price.
Grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
What you're gonna do is go ahead and open this up. This is what the tool looks like. You'll log into your Amazon account. Now this looks very similar to the manage inventory page on Amazon. The difference is it shows you the lowest 5 offers. So let me show you what this looks like. So on the screen, you guys can see, we can see all, this is magical, guys. Look, so the FBA offers, this is showing the lowest 5 FBA offers right here. This is showing the rank, and this is sorting it by days in inventory. I personally use this to not only reprice my inventory, but also price my inventory. I think it's a waste of time to price your inventory up front. I have a team of 8 listers, and if they all priced inventory up front, it would take us 4 times as long to get books out. So we get the shit out, we scan the books in, and get them out as fast as possible. Then I have a virtual assistant. Now in my course, I go over exactly how to train your virtual assistant. You guys can actually use the videos in my course and just send them to your VA and she'll know exactly what to do. If you guys want to use the same rules I do, I wrote out rules that have days in inventory, rank, all that, so the repricing is, they can't screw it up, okay? In this video, I'm just gonna show you basically what to do. And really all you're doing, and all I'm having my VA do, is look for gaps. So see, it goes from 66 to 67 and 114. Boom, that's an extra what, 40 bucks? Are you kidding me? An extra $40 right there if we're just patient enough to wait a while. 82,000 rank is pretty good. For those of you that don't know, anything under a million sells about, you know, if it's a million in rank, I've heard it sells 12 times a year, okay? 82,000, I don't know how many times it sells a year, but it sells pretty frequently. So I'm patient enough for an extra $40. Hell yes, I'm coming in there. I'm glad I caught that. Boom, I just made an extra 40 bucks. I don't know why this error is coming up. Try typing it in. So you can also just type it in. If you don't like the price here, you can also just type it in here. I don't know what's going on there. Let's move on to the next one. So 21K, that's a super high demand book. But notice all these FBA offers are super close to each other. So they're all within $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the next sale. So this guy's a first in line, this guy's a second in line, third in line. So the higher the rank, the farther down in line we can come. So for this book up here, I'm willing to wait a while. For this book down here, why the hell would I wait for an extra $1? Hell no, I'm coming, I'm getting the next sale. I don't know why this error is coming up, but most of the time it comes up with the price. I'm gonna keep making the video though. Current price 106, rank is 93, and notice all these ranks are green. The ranks will come up, if it's over 2 million, I think it's gonna come up yellow, so that means the book does not sell as often. And if it's really shitty rank, which means it never really sells that much, it's gonna come up red. So whenever it comes up red, you wanna go ahead and match lowest FBA offer. I'll tell you that right now. So for this red one right here, we're just gonna match that. Scroll back up. Okay. So yeah, I mean, when you're using this tool, you're gonna see, oh, it's green. That means, I mean, even 1.1 million, I don't think that should be green. 1.1 million is not super great. But from 12 to 24, of course I'm gonna come in at 24. An extra 12 bucks? I just made $12 just by doing that. Are you kidding me? Let me scroll down a little bit. 1.6 million is not great, but it goes from 9 to 18. It's only been in inventory for 8 days. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and go up. Now, when you're repricing yourself, you have the luxury of going with your gut, looking at different things. But when I have my virtual assistant do it, I have a set, you know, she's got a template that she's looking at. She better not screw it up or else she gets fired. That's the rule. No, I'm just kidding. They can make some mistakes. But that's it. This tool is awesome. So below is my affiliate link. I do get a kickback if you guys use that. So I'd appreciate it if you did. If not, you're not invited to my birthday party. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Just dropping knowledge. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. I also just made a new YouTube channel dedicated to dance. It's called Romer the Romer Dances. So if you're interested in my white ass doing some salsa moves, go follow that. Without further ado, peace out, family.